Hello everybody, Graeme from Frontenac Cycle here in the back alley. Today we're going to be talking about a common mistake that we see at the shop involving quick releases that both impact the safety and the function of your bicycle. So if you've ever removed your quick release from your wheel, you'll notice that there are two conical shaped springs on either end. The function of these springs is to just make sure that the quick release is centered as you're undoing the quick release, so that when you undo it, your wheel can come off and on easier. The mistake that we see most often is that people when they take their quick release out and put it back together, they actually put the spring on the wrong way. So they have instead of the thin end facing in, they have the fat end facing in. And I'll show you why that's no bueno. So as you can see, when the spring is in the incorrect orientation and you put your quick release on, the spring will actually end up covering the axle, and this part of the axle is what sits in the dropout. So when you have the spring covering it, your wheel won't go into the dropout properly, which will be difficult to center and potentially could fall out. So with the springs on in the correct orientation, our wheel will go into the dropouts nicely, and we always want to remember that when we're tightening our quick release, that we finish with the lever in the closed position. Nice and snug. Thank you everyone for tuning in to our quick release spring orientation PSA. I know this is probably something that most people are going to scoff at, but we do see it a lot, and it's definitely a safety and performance issue. So please, next time you have your wheel off, just check to make sure your springs are on correctly.
Alright, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to hammer that like button and subscribe, because we've got more coming to you. Thank you very much.